Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am actually doing a Influenster video, got it free, hashtag got it free, for the Synchro Skin Radiant Lifting Oil-Free Broad Spectrum Foundation from Shiseido, and then also their blurring primer. So I do use both of these. I am also doing a quick tutorial using the new Midas Volume 2 palette, which is super beautiful for fall, winter. It's like these beautiful grungy green shades. That red berry is just so pigmented. I love that color. I tried to pair the red berry, well, you can't really see it, but it's there. I tried to pair this red berry color with this lipstick, which is Underdog from Fenty Beauty. But this is a wear test for the foundation. I put this foundation on at around 12:30, so I'm going to try and bring it to 11 tonight and get a nice, 11 hours of wear in for you guys. So I was gifted this in PR from Influenster. Let me tell you a little bit about this. Lift your skin with light adjusting radiance. Shiseido light adjusting technology instantly adapts and responds to every light source to smooth and diffuse fine lines and create a luminous lifted effect on the skin. All day wear, weightless comfort, radiant finish, medium to full buildable coverage. And this does have sunscreen in it, so that's nice. And this blurring primer smooths and blurs. It helps visibly reduce the appearance of pores, reduces shine, it's weightless, silky smooth texture. And these are fragrance free, so if anyone is bothered by fragrance, these don't have that. I am using the shade 220 Linen. It did match my skin tone. It seemed to be like maybe half a shade too dark, but once I blended it down my neck and added my bronzer, it fit my skin tone really well. Normally Influencer sends you two foundations. They give you one that you picked, and then they give you one, I believe, lighter shade just in case you pick too dark of a shade. But they did send one, and it's actually my color. So this is $47, and I'm on their website right now, and their primer is $36. So if you guys want to see the wear test and this quick eye tutorial, then just keep watching. Okay, I'm going to start with the primer. So, Synchro Skin Soft Blurring Primer. So let's go ahead and put this on. So let's see how good these fill in pores. My trouble spots are my smile lines So let's see how good these do on my smile lines. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the foundation. This is the color 220 Linen. This might be a little too dark for me, so I'm just going to take it down my neck a little bit farther. Oh, this is good. Why are you so hard to push down? Do I have to pull something out? What is this? Do I need my 4-year-old's help? That's not working. That's not working either. It tells you how to open it on the back. Read the back, y'all. Shake well before use. Twist cap to unlock and lock. Oh. I have to twist the cap. Nope, that's still not working. Oh! Oh, okay, okay. Alright. Alright, it's happening. Ah. Finally. Oh. Oh. Actually, that might be my color. Oh. Wow. Okay. This actually might be my color. Well, that's a nice surprise. Go me for shade matching myself online. Alright, I put 3 pumps. So let's see if I can cover my entire face in 3 pumps. Okay, I actually could cover my entire face in 3 pumps, which is really nice. And I'm just gonna put half a pump and kind of bring this down my neck a little. I feel like the color is pretty good, but it is maybe like half a shade too dark. Alright, so far without setting it, it seems to have this really nice skin finish. I do set all my foundations though. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my face, put on my powders, contour, blush, all that fun stuff. And then I'm gonna show you up close what the foundation actually looks like. And then we're gonna come back tonight, probably about 10 or 11, and I'm gonna show you guys how it's worn throughout the day. I do have to do some errands, so I will be wearing a mask, so keep that in mind. So anything that has ended up rubbing off around the top of my nose, my chin, and this area right here, it's gonna happen. We'll see how the smile lines specifically look, because that's my main problem area with my face. Okay, so I have my makeup on. Let's go ahead and zoom in and see up close if this looks good or not. I think it looks pretty good. My smile lines are already horrendous. Around my nose is disgusting. And I obviously can't do makeup because I got green on my nose. And now I just smeared glitter all over it. Okay, we're super close. So, sorry, not sorry. Let me get some, I guess I'll just use this. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see. Well, can you see where I just smeared green eyeshadow? Here's my nose, the sides of it. See this side? Ooh, that looks rough. And then my smile lines are already pretty apparent. Let's see, everything else looks good. I love fake freckles, so I wear fake freckles all the time. But my forehead lines look like that. I guess that's decent enough. It's not too bad yet. My chin looks okay. My lip line looks terrible, so that also happened. So I will be back at like 11. I'm gonna wear it as long as I can, and you guys can see how it wears throughout the day. I have dry skin. We'll see how it wears. Okay, it's gonna be hours for me and just a split second for you guys. It is I'm exhausted. I am about to go to bed and I want to wash my face. So let's just do a quick recap. How's my makeup look so far? I mean, obviously it's super dark out, but I think my skin actually looks really nice. I did have to go to Walmart, so I did wear my mask. So if there is just a little bit more missing in this area, that's why. But for the most part, my mask actually didn't look like it got a ton of makeup on it, which is nice. Alright, let's get up close and personal. Okay, maybe not that up close. That's a little scary. My smile lines actually look nice. It does look kind of dry and cakey on the corners here of my mouth. And then my chin looks a little bit rough right there. I did wipe off my lipstick earlier, so it's kind of not around my mouth anymore. My nose actually looks better than it did when I first put it on. It seems to have kind of melted into those lines, so that's nice. My forehead, I think, looks exactly the same. Lines-wise, actually, they might look a little bit softer, so that's even better. I have super dry skin, so this is all just highlight. Those aren't oils, I promise. But for the most part, I think it wore really beautifully, actually. The coverage was really pretty. The smile lines on my nose actually looked the worst when I first put it on, but as like the day went on, they kind of like just melted into my skin, and I just feel really pretty today. I don't know, I mean, this lighting is absolutely horrific, but I mean, I think my skin looks okay, so that's good. I would definitely recommend this, y'all. I mean, learn how to open it, obviously, unlike me. For a solid 10.5 hours, I think this wore absolutely beautiful on dry skin. My skin is super dry, so, and I am ready for bed. Do you see this hair? This is ready for bed hair. Well, I like it. I'm talking low because people are sleeping in the next room, but that is all I have for this video. This is definitely a beautiful foundation, and I really do like the primer. I think I'm going to keep using these for the next couple weeks to see how I like it. So far, nothing's happened with reactions to my skin. Hi, baby. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Say hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Why aren't you asleep? Okay, so that's all I have for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!